We are not just back. We are so back.
We are so back.
To our listeners, thank you so much. Our followers sa Lecheng Pag-ibig. Nagkaroon tayo ng mini break.
Oo, konting break lang kasi halos nagsabay yung bakasyon nating dalawa na hindi
Correct.
natin plinano. But I'm just so happy na sabay tayo kahit
At
papano.
kailangan yun. Kailangan
sa
nyo
buhay
magpahinga.
yan.
Okay?
Oo. So, sobrang importante ng pahinga.
Correct. I've been stressing this. I've been making kwento a lot of friends na itong year na to. I really want to prioritize work-life balance.
Very good.
Oo. How am I gonna do it? I'm still hindi ko pa rin
Trying to figure out?
Still trying to figure out kasi aminin natin, minsan na-set mo na okay work-life balance. May mga dumarating na parang, uy,
Sayang naman.
opportunities.
Oo.
Sayang naman.
Saka na lang ulit ang pahinga.
Correct. Pwede naman siguro ipahinga yung pahinga. Diba? And,
Pwede ipahinga yung pahinga.
parang
may mga ganon. May mga
i-postpone
ganon.
natin yung mga bakasyon and everything. So, I realize it also takes discipline
Yeah.
to really make sure na if you're planning a break, have that break.
Yeah.
And enjoy that break.
Okay.
Kasi there are times you take a break pero yung utak mo
Dire-diretso.
sa trabaho pa rin. Ang dami pa rin
Dire-diretso.
tabs na para sa computer, tabs na nakabukas sa brain cells
Multiple
mo.
tabs.
So what happens when you get back? Hindi mo na feel na nagbakasyon ka. And that's why,
So wait, galing ka ng
congratulations.
El Nido. So ako feeling ko, pakiramdam ko naman nasa bakasyon mode ka nun. Naramdaman mong nasa bakasyon ka. How many days?
Correct. I was just
Kasi
there
parang
for
Japan and then Palawan after. Dire-diretso yun?
1 week in Manila.
Okay.
Medyo gusto ko try gawin yun eh. Parang 3 weeks working, 1 week bakasyon.
Sarap.
Try lang.
And I mean that
Try
you
lang.
deserve it. At kung kaya mo naman, why not? Hindi naman galing sa flood control project yung panggagastos mo
Yun
sa
na nga
bakasyon.
lang,
So go.
Sana nga kuhanin ako ng DPWH pang Christmas party para one hosting a year, okay na ako.
Malaki daw ba bigayan doon?
Ay, naku na ba? Joke lang. Di ba, one event a year, okay ka na?
Oh, sarap.
Oh, diba? One gig.
One flood control project per year.
Oo,
okay
bebe
ka na, hayahay ka na.
Ay, Christmas party, okay na ako. But, Niseko was super good. Of course, we go there every year for our snowboarding trip. And ang ganda, it was such a beautiful time to go there. First week of Feb kasi ang ganda ng snow. Sobrang ganda ng bagsak ng powder. Last time we went there, may snow pero mahangin. So, ang daming blizzards.
So how many days did you stay?
For Niseko, we spent 3 days in Sapporo.
Okay.
Tapos nag-drive up kami sa Niseko. So, total of 10 days.
Okay. So, ang tagal. Wow. So, parang papi, no? Ano ba yan? Yung ba yung matatawag natin na parang safe zone mo lagi? Pag gusto mo ng pahinga, doon ka?
Actually, I'd say it's our happy place.
Happy place.
Oo.
Okay.
Si S has been going there for 11 years. Kasi talagang snowboarder siya.
Nauna siya sa'yo.
Nung pinopormahan ko asawa ko,
Uh-huh.
I'm not sure kung kayo ni Mike may similar story sa cycling.
Okay.
Basta pinopormahan ko siya, yun yung sport niya.
Alright.
So, kailangan medyo sumabay tayo.
Oo.
Diba? Kasi
Oo.
gusto natin. So, nung in-invite niya ako, pumunta ako. But it took me like 2 or 3 years of going there till I actually got the
Nauna
skill
pala
for it.
siya.
Nauna siya.
Now we know. Alright.
Dati
And
nga
then
sa
parang
isang
naging
taon-
yearly habit yun eh.
Correct,
Right?
correct.
Oo.
Kasi may season lang naman yan eh, na may snow. And it's one of our favorite places. A happy place kasi it's just such a nice, relaxing environment. So yeah, I'd say na-relax ako doon. I was able to get my bearings. Came back to Manila for a week. Tapos puro work. And then 1 week off ulit. Nag-El Nido kami with my cousins from the state.
Oo. Regalo ni Sam. Ganun po siya magpaandar. Nagpapa-El Nido. Ang lagay ba naman, papi, kami ba naman dito baka naman masama mo kami sa pa-El Nido. Kahit pa Puerto Galera lang, okay kami.
Hindi. Sige, magpa-bonus tayo. Company outing tayo.
Diyos ko naman.
LPT.
Oo, diba? Alan, Philip,
Diba?
Ina, baka naman.
Ilang years na rin tayo dito. But tell us about Australia. I've been seeing your posts, cycling and everything. It's such a beautiful place. I've always heard so much. I've been there once
You haven't
for
been
work.
there? You've been there once.
Pero
Like Sydney or
napakabilis.
Melbourne?
Sydney.
Okay.
Tsaka Darwin.
So, ang sinasabi sa akin ng mga friends ko na nag-Sydney na, even yung mga nandun sa Australia, mag-iba yung vibe niya. Pero
Okay.
almost similar. Pero I have to say, mas gusto ko siya sa US kasi iba yung work-life balance nila doon.
Let's talk about that. When you say work-life balance, naramdaman mo, you've been raving about it
Yeah.
off the air kanina. Ano tong work-life balance na?
Okay, so usually yung mga malls nila, mga mas late nagsa-start, I think 11 a.m.
Okay.
Ganyan. And then, nagko-close na ng 6 p.m.
Okay.
So, tinanong ko yung friends,
So-
sabi, ba't ka na sobrang aga?
Oh.
Sabi niya, girl, ma-work-life balance sila dito. And then, all the bars, all the shops, 11 p.m. yung max.
This is in
Melbourne. Oo.
Naalala ko yung Sydney medyo ganyan din kasi...
Maaga, di ba?
Oo. Nagkaroon kami,
Kakawin lang.
Tony kasama ko nun. Nagkaroon kami ng bar.
Wala na. Until
Wala
11
na.
lang.
It was like 11 p.m. Wala na. Sarado na lahat.
Ganong level, like nawiwindang ako. Kunyari, nasa coffee shop kami or nasa inuman kami, nasa bar. Pag 11 p.m. na lalapit
Pack up.
sa inyo. Lalapit sa inyo. Yung mga waiters and waitresses, sasabihin sa inyo, pack up na kayo. Time to go.
Okay.
Wala kayong choice. Kahit gusto nyo pang magstay, umorder, kahit gaano kadami, or walang ganon. Hanggang 11 p.m. lang siya. And then, ma-nature sila. As in like,
Yun.
kahit saan ka
Yun.
tumingin, laging may park,
Okay.
may playground. I think it's a place na maganda, mag-race ng mga bata.
A lot of people have been saying that, and I kind of see it also with my friends who have transferred there.
Oh, iba. Like, I don't know, siguro dahil hindi ako sanay dito sa Pilipinas makakita ng every street may playground, sobrang
May park.
mag-green, papi. Sa city mismo, magsasawa kayo sa fresh air, pati sa dami ng puno.
You know one thing that me and Essa talked about with one of our friends na doon na nga naka-base, yung kino-compare namin. Of course, when you travel, I know they say it's bad to compare. Pero aminin natin, when we travel,
you can't help it.
You can't help it. Compare
Yeah.
what's happening in the Philippines to the place that you travel in. As a matter of fact, there was this article I read sa Manila Bulletin yata yun by Attorney Goyo. No? Sabi niya, bakit daw, even the well-off people sa Manila, pag nag-travel sa ibang bansa, willing sila mag-MRT, LRT.
Because the public transport is good.
Correct.
Oo.
And kailan tayo abot sa ganun. And then one more thing, don't you ever realize na bakit dito cellphone tayo ng cellphone?
Pero doon, oo.
Sila,
Agree. Totally
sila,
agree.
hindi mo nga alam makikita yung cellphone sa lamesa eh.
Yeah.
And we realized that it's because the environment na na-build, like you mentioned, is ang daming gagawin, ang daming magagawa na nature things, na activity, sports, that you are not hooked to your cellphone.
Yeah.
Unlike here, 3 oras sa traffic, ano gagawin mo?
Magsa-cellphone ka. Oo.
Di ba?
And health is number 1 for Australians, I think.
Correct.
Yung lifestyle nila na dito sa atin yung mag-exercise ka lang pag meron ka sa salihang fun run, ay sa kanila lifestyle. At maiintindihan mo kung bakit lifestyle yun sa kanila. Bata pa lang sila. Sabi ko nga sa friend ko, alam mo, matatawag ko ito ang camping capital of the world.
Okay.
Dahil doon, usong-uso po yung mga camper vans. Kasi sa mga pamilya doon, every summer, every weekend, normal sa kanila yung camping. Kasi sa karamihan ng mga parks nila, pwede maligo. May mga banyo. Lahat ng banyo, halos lahat, pwede mag-shower.
Tapos malinis.
Kasi malinis. Mayroon ding mga hindi malinis, but basically, most na nakita ko malinis. So, maganda sabi ko nga, sinasabi ko kay Mike, alam mo kung meron tayong magiging magandang trabaho dito na same yung income sa Pilipinas.
Correct. Lilipat ka.
I will. For my kids.
For your kids
For
also,
my
no?
kids. Kasi hindi nila may experience yun dito sa Pilipinas. Yung ganong kagandang nature. Sabihin mo mang
alam na
weird
natin
yung
bakit.
weather. Medyo weird lang yung weather kasi nung pagpunta namin doon, 45 degrees paglapag.
Okay.
And then nung hapon, 12 degrees. Ganong level siya ka-weird, guys. So yung
Okay.
summer nila, si Mike nilagnat actually nung second
That's a
day.
temperature change.
Iba siya, 4 seasons in one day. Ganun mo yung may experience nyo. Ang weird talaga. Like kunwari sa umaga, super init, 25. Sa bandang hapon, magiging 12 or 11, 15, ganon. But it's so nice there. I really understand now kung bakit ang daming mga Pilipinong pinipili magpamilya sa Australia. And if nasa kayo, IT industry, at nandito kayo sa Pilipinas, ang daming opportunities para sa inyo sa Australia. Hindi
Specifically
sa sinasabi
IT.
kong lumipat kayo lahat doon. For IT, kasi karamihan ng mga tao na nakilala namin doon, lahat are software engineers,
Okay.
nasa IT industry. Kapag tinanong ko sila, so kamusta kayo dito? Okay na kami dito.
You know
Ganun
what
sinasabi
I
nila.
realized
Okay kami dito.
Sa mga friends ko na nandun, no, like I said, I haven't been in a very long time. Yung quality of life, sobrang vinavalue nila.
Yes, work-life balance talaga, papi.
So parang yung peace of mind nila, ramdam mo.
Oo, yun ang sinasabi
Diba?
ko. Sabi ko, ano kinakastressan nyo ba dito?
Oo, diba? Parang
Kasi
please.
parang wala kayo. Sabi, meron din naman, pero hindi lang si stressful lang sa Manila.
Because dito, yung, sorry
Or sa Pinas in general.
Not to, talk,
We don't wanna
talk
compare.
bad. Pero
Ayaw naman natin.
Dito kasi, like I said, traffic pa lang stress. Gobyerno, stress. Ang dami nangyayari, stress. Wala ka pang ginagawa.
Stress ka na.
Kasi stress ka na.
Sa biyahe pa lang, papuntang work,
Correct.
stress ka na.
So, ang dami ng factors. So, hindi ka pa nakaka-uwi. You haven't even seen your kids or
I know.
whatever. Wala ka pa sa bahay. Mag-start pa lang minsan yung araw mo. I think, sad to say that naging napaka-stressful ng Pilipinas.
And you know what? Before coming to Melbourne, yung favorite place talaga namin ni Mike is Japan.
Okay.
Pero right after our trip,
Talaga, ganun ka...
pareho kami ni Mike. Sabi ko, babalik tayo doon. Actually, gusto na namin bumalik agad. Sydney naman this year. Kasi
Wow.
we wanna check if ganun din yung vibes sa Sydney.
Okay, is it
Iba
what they
talaga.
say?
I
Where
don't
the
know what's
porns
with
apart
Melbourne.
ba?
Alam mo na nandun ako habang nagbabike kami. Dahil sa sobrang daming puno, papi. Tsaka ma-nature talaga. Ang
Nakangiti
tindi
ka lang,
talaga
di ba?
eh.
Sarap ng feeling eh, di ba?
Inaamoy ko talaga na gumaganon
Yung
talaga
oxygen
ako.
puro,
Tinutudo ko pa.
puro.
Alam mo yung
Dito may
mag-green na
halo eh, di ba?
City to ha. Nasa Melbourne City ka pero iba siya. So sinasabi ko nga sa mga katrabaho ko. Nakabalik ko lang kanina. Sabi ko, guys, kailangan nyo makita yung Melbourne. Kailangan nyo makita yung Australia. If I don't know, it's parang alam mo hindi naman siya super, sabihin natin laid back, pero not so laid back. Alam mo yung sakto,
Correct. Sakto.
sapat siya eh.
I think the key is work-life balance talaga.
Yes, it is.
Parang they know that, okay, you have to work, but that's not everything to life.
Isipin mo na lang
There's
kung ang
more
mall
to
nila,
life
kung ang
than
mall
work.
nila 6 p.m., ang sagot sa akin ng friend ko, ay, girl, may work-life balance dito. Talagang magsasara ang mall ng 6 p.m.
Bakit lang naman kasi tumatambay sa mall marami sa atin? Kasi, number one, dun
Killing
aircon,
traffic.
palipas traffic, diba? Not to say it's a bad thing, but it's reality for us. This is reality for us. Diba? Kaya ang daming malls. Along EDSA, have you ever counted how many malls there are? SM North EDSA is there. Trinoma
Kaliwat
is there.
kanan, no?
Kaliwat
Tapatan.
EDSA pa lang to Hindi pa tayo lumalabas ng EDSA nito. It's because, yun nga eh. Ito na yung parang naging release natin from such a stressful environment. And I do believe, naniniwala ako dyan, you have more parks, you have more walkways. People really want to go out and spend time there.
And like, yung bike path nila, hanggat kaya nilang lagyan ng bike path, lalagyan nila. Alam
At
mo yung,
nirerespeto.
ito isipin nyo, alam nyo yung Marikina River natin and Pasig River? Meron silang parang ganon.
Correct.
Mahabang ganon. Yung mahaba na yon hanggang sa kaduluduluhan, may bike path sila doon. Sa gitna ng riles ng tren, may bike path. Napinsan na iwindang na ako, seryoso, sa gilid ng beach, may bike path.
And moreover, nire-respeto.
Yes.
Yon ang...
Ang bait. Walang pipina sa'yo pag nasa bike lane ka.
They respect the lane.
Oo. If you're a cyclist, sabi ko nga, you should go to Melbourne to experience yung kung gaano ka-safe yung bike paths nila for riders.
And you
kahit
brought your bikes. Diba? Dala niyo yung mga
Yes,
bike
dala
niyo.
namin yung bike
Galing nga,
namin.
oh.
First time namin actually nag-travel,
Travel.
dala yung bike namin. And I have to say naman, in all fairness, kudos to Philippine Airlines. Wala naman damage.
Okay.
Naingatan ng husto. Meron siguro tayong ang mabagal lang sa Melbourne, ang di ko lang bet, is yung immigration line nila medyo mahaba.
Baka maraming tao or...
No.
yung
Mas
process?
mabilis talaga sa Pilipinas.
Oh, that's
Ang airport
surprising.
natin, surprisingly, mas mabilis ang Pilipinas na airport. Mas doon tayo lamang.
Pros and cons.
Compared sa Australia. Kasi nga may explanation. Kasi nga very chill sila sa work. Hindi sila yung, gets mo?
Okay.
Mapapansin niyo yan pag nagpunta kayo ng Australia. Mahaba yung immigration line.
Pero gusto ko maranasan yan. Then you realize, diba, when you visit a place like that, you realize there's really more to life than just working.
You have to experience it.
You have to experience.
Even if you don't have a bike, you will see din kung gaano kaganda lahat ng lugar. Parang ginawa yung bawat street para yung mga tao lumabas.
Exactly.
Magpapawis.
Yun. Or to enjoy nature, not just go inside the mall and stay there the whole day.
Mas ma-nature talaga sila
diba?
doon.
Or be stuck in kasi, but tayo, aminin natin, at one point, nakakatakot lumabas eh. Kasi, isip mo, oh my God, Friday ngayon. Sige, bahay na lang ako.
Isipin mo yung traffic. Mag-a-adjust ka na. Huwag tayo lalabas ng Friday and Saturday kasi traffic. Or yung kanina sinasabi mo, sa Australia, pag bawat kanto may park. Diba? May playground.
Correct.
Dito, gaano kahirap humanap ng park at ng playground?
Diba, kailangan magmaneho, ma-stuck sa traffic para lang makahanap ng maayos na playground or maayos na bike path for that matter or running area for that matter. Unless gigising ka ng Sunday ng 6 na umaga just to do it. But there, it's readily available. And I think things like that, small things like that, parks, walkways, playgrounds,
affect public transport.
These things affect the citizens. Affect how they live, affect how they are, affect their mental state, their capabilities. All these things affect the state of life of the citizens.
No, kaya nga mas lalo ko nalungkot para sa Pilipinas eh. Kasi isipin mo, yung Australia, sinasabi ng friend ko na nandun, times 25 daw siya ng laki ng Pinas. So,
Okay.
super laki ng Australia. So, kung ang liit ng Pilipinas pero di natin kayang ayusin, sobrang hopeless pa tayo.
Kaya nga sinabi ko nga
Yun
kanina.
na naisip ko, Papi. Ang liit lang naman natin eh. Kung times 25 ng Australia, ba't di natin kayang gawin yun?
So I was saying, bakit walang parks? Alam na natin kung bakit.
Yeah.
Saan napunta yung pera? Alam na natin kung
I
saan napunta.
I
Is it
know.
impossible to have parks? No. There could be parks. Is it impossible to maintain parks? No. Bike lane nagkaroon after a few years. What happened? Diba?
Yeah.
Everything is possible. I still believe everything is possible. But yun lang. We all know where the funds are going. We all know the priorities of the people in power.
Yeah.
So
At wala pa rin nakukulong.
wala pa rin nakukulong. Will it happen? I don't know. But I'm glad that
You're still hopeful?
I actually don't know.
Ako nga, hindi ko na sure kung may makukulong pa eh.
Ako-
But hindi tayo pwede maging cynical.
Hindi ko
Kasi
alam.
kung pare-pareho tayo magiging nega, talagang walang mangyayari.
It's not nega eh. For me,
But-
it's more of I don't know. I don't know if
Exactly.
may mangyayari.
But again, at the same time, dahil na-experience natin itong mga lugar na to, mapa-Japan man yan, Australia man yan, or US, or kahit saang lupalop kayo ng mundo na punta na parang ibang-iba sa Pilipinas, ngayon talaga mapapaisip ka eh. If you have the means, and if you can get your children there, na kung kaya nyo silang doon sila pag-aralin, hindi ko kayo masisisi kung bakit ganun ang gagawin nyo. At hindi ko rin masisisi yung mga nandito kung bakit gagawin nila lahat makaalis lang sa Pilipinas.
You know why? I think also one thing that stands out with everything that you're saying about Australia is mind. If that is the place that will give you peace of mind, that will relax your brain cells or everything, by all means do it. I think we are living in times where we really have to prioritize
Mental health.
our peace of mind, ourselves.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna blame our parents, but I guess may ano na rin may konti connection rin sa medyo boomers, yung mga parents natin na boomers na it was that era na work ka lang ng work, save ka lang ng save. And
At di mo na-enjoy.
correct, pagtanda mo o tsaka ka magta-travel, pero hindi ngayon work ka lang ng work.
No.
So napunta sa utak natin, kahit na paano na-embed sa atin yun by our parents eh. And now, I like that it's slowly changing to that scene where you work, but you also enjoy what you worked for.
Yeah.
And you also have to realize that, or ask yourself, how much is really enough?
Yan na.
How much is enough for you? Do you still need more? We all want more, yes, but do you still need more? Or are you okay? We're all always gonna want something else, pero we also have to take time to realize that we're blessed with a lot.
Yeah.
We're blessed with what we need. Everything else, bonus.
True?
You were talking about our friend kanina.
Yeah. Na
Who-
that's on a sabbatical leave.
Correct. We're gonna carry over to that topic, the whole sabbatical leave. Sabbatical leave, tama ba? Am I right in saying when you take
Define
a
sabbatical leave.
ito yung break muna, time out muna ako. I just need to rest. Ang sabbatical ba may return date? Pag sinabi mo sabbatical ka?
Parang tentative yata siya.
Diba?
Parang hindi masyado. Depende kung ready ka na.
Correct.
Pero sabbatical leave yata, it's more of you want to take a leave hindi lang dahil pagod ka because you wanna align yata kung ano bang gusto mong gawin talaga for your,
Kasi sa
not just
Bible,
for your
di ba
career.
binasa
Ano
ko
nga,
kanina?
sige.
Di ba?
Wow, iba.
On the seventh day, God rested.
Saka nakita nyo naman, very pastor
Pare.
yung itsura niya.
Diba?
Nagsalamin pa yan ngayon.
Oh.
O sige,
On the
Pastor Sam.
on the seventh day,
Sabbatical.
God rested.
Of course,
Nag-Sabbath,
yeah.
di ba? Sabbath
day.
Oh,
Oo.
rest yan eh.
Oo.
So, I think, I may be wrong, but sabbatical is break to
Alam mo,
rest.
while I'm watching you, Papi, alam ko na ikakayaman natin.
Ano?
Pwede tayo magtayo ng church eh. Oo,
Wala
tapos
mo.
ikaw magkakaganyan ka lang.
Lechanatic,
Oh.
di ba? Lechanatic, ano? Lechanatic. Ano may mga tawag sa mga church, di ba?
Ano tawag sa mga church?
Mga, hindi, clear na mga,
Ano eh?
pupunta sa church.
Sam's Witnesses.
Devotees.
Oo,
di ba?
pwede
Oo.
nga ganyan.
Life
Oo.
devotees.
Oo.
Pero yun nga pag sabbatical, you just take a break to rest.
Wala, nagawa mo
To
na ba
put
yun?
it simply.
Yung ganon, yung sabbatical leave.
Nope.
Ako never pa rin.
Never pa.
So, we're
Do
talking...
you want to take one?
No, I'm okay now. nung after nung rest. Wow!
Wow.
So, yun, F na F.
Kasi yung sa'yo, leave lang. Technically, hindi mo tawag
No,
sa
can
sabbatical
I
yun.
just
Kasi leave lang yun di ba?
But last year kasi was really heavy for me.
Correct.
Pero I don't know what's with 2026. Hindi ko alam kung nafe-feel nyo rin. Iba yung energy sa akin.
Okay.
Mas light siya for me.
That's great. Actually,
So, like, iba talaga.
nararamdaman ko yun when I see, when I
Talaga?
talk to you. Oo naman.
Iba
Oo
siya.
naman.
Hindi ko alam kung ano meron pero dahil daw nga kasi ano nga yung last year? Year of the Snake.
Oo.
So ganun daw talaga. Most of the people experience tough time last year. Matindi.
I think lahat tayo.
Oo,
Dumaan
pero
dyan.
yung pagpasok, ang dami ko rin mga nakausap eh. Pagpasok nitong Year of the Horse, iba daw talaga.
Tsaka
So
I think
hindi ko pa kailangan ng sabbatical leave naman sa ngayon. Oo.
I think it's also aligning.
Saka alam mo, hindi lang yun.
Oh.
Hindi ko kailangan ng sabbatical leave kasi pag sabbatical leave dahil hindi mo alam kung kailan ka babalik.
Oh.
Wala pa ako doon sa, ano kakainin namin? Wala pa ako doon sa point na yun. Hindi pa ako sa Moiji mga be.
Hindi, yun nga yung sinasabi ko. Sabbatical leave kasi, parang kailangan...
You're unsure, di ba? When you're
Oo.
going back.
It
So
normally
dapat talagang financially ready ka.
Oo naman.
Oo.
Hindi ka ata pwede magpaka-sabbatical ng wala-wala lang.
Hindi lang yun.
Kailangan
And
medyo...
not just with, hindi lang for regular employees, pwede siguro. Baka merong sabbatical leave with pay. I don't know.
No,
or wala.
you can just do a
Walang
leave
ganon?
with pay. Pero sabbatical is something more personal.
Okay. So
That's-
walang sabbatical leave with pay for regular employees?
Wala. Leave lang.
Oh,
Leave with
lang.
pay. Oh.
Okay.
Parang sa'yo, leave with pay ka
Yun
lang.
lang, yun
Hindi mo
lang
siya
yun.
matatawag na sabbatical. Pag sabbatical
Okay.
kasi, talagang rest. Parang ayoko muna pakialaman ng mundo.
Parang retreat yan, ano?
Oo.
Oo.
Retreat from the world.
Okay.
From everything.
Oo. So gaano katagal usually yung mga
Until
sabbatical
you're
leave?
okay.
Doon sa mga kakilala mo, ano yung pinakamatagal?
Alam ko, yung mga nag 2 months. I know somebody took 2 months off.
Oh, okay.
Tapos ano siya, talagang hindi mo mahanap. Nag-reply lang siya sa mga necessary.
But how was it after the sabbatical leave?
For some people, I guess yun nga, let's term it as a retreat. Para mas medyo maramdaman na.
Oo.
Pag nag-retreat ka, I think kailangan talagang parang you have to reconnect with yourself.
Yeah.
Ito yung parang medyo nawala ka na sa either nawala ka na ng purpose, hindi mo na makita yung
Or hindi ka na
value
sure.
sa ginagawa mo.
Hindi ka na sure kung saan mo gusto
Correct.
pumunta. Parang
Maybe
ganon.
something has become routinary.
Routinary.
Diba? Ginagawa mo na lang pero you might have enjoyed it before and that's okay. You enjoyed it before pero ngayon parang you're just doing it, to go to work. Wala ka ng purpose in doing that. You don't find your purpose anymore. And that's why you have to retreat and reevaluate yourself, your mission, your vision, your values. Sino na ba ako? And I think
There's nothing wrong with that.
there's nothing wrong because
Yeah.
we all change.
Yeah.
Maybe something that you valued so much when you were 5 years ago, hindi mo na binavalue ngayon.
True, wala na sa'yo
Or not as
ngayon.
much. Maybe mas like for me, I'd honestly say mas binavalue ko na yung pahinga. Papunta na ako dun. I'm still not there, but I'm working to get there.
Yeah.
Na binavalue ko na, yes, I work, but I also wanna enjoy what I work for. I wanna also rest when I can rest.
And you deserve it. I mean, kailan nga ba natin kasi i-enjoy niyan, yung pinagpagura natin, pag
And
hindi na
then,
tayo nakakalakad.
Yun na nga, going back to the boomer era. Na parents siguro natin, ganun. In-instill sa atin.
And yung karamihan ng millennials medyo may ganun pa rin.
Correct.
Hindi, 'di ba? Kumbaga hindi kapag may mga pagkakataon na pag nagbabakasyon ka, nagigilty ka pa rin eh.
Oo naman. Pag
Diba?
sobrang tagal. Diba? Parang,
Na parang igit ka na mag-work.
2 weeks na ako, diba?
Ako, yung 2
Parang,
weeks ko ngayon.
Diba, may guilt, mga last 3 days mo, guilty na eh.
Oo, na parang-
Mga syempre, unang 10 days, excited, let's go.
Oo.
Last 3 days,
Pero pag patapos na yung bakasyon mo,
May sadness ka rin.
naghahanap ka na ng gagawin.
gigil, mabalik na.
Iba rin kasi talaga working, no? It's kind of addicting.
Depends.
Na
And I actually hope that people get to that point that you love what you do, that it gets addicting.
Yeah.
That you're addicted to what you do because you're so passionate about it. You want to be the best at what you do.
Yes. And yun nga yung pag nasa bakasyon ka that you're excited to work.
But
Kasi meron
aminin
din akong
natin,
era, papi, na nasa bakasyon ka, yung sinasabi mo kanina, hindi mo na feel that you're on a vacation, tapos parang ayaw mo na bumalik sa work.
yun yung kabilang side na
Oo.
hassle naman na parang,
Yeah.
shit, ito yung sa back to reality, naiisip mo na yung, pucha, ito harapin ko naman yung boss ko, yung office mates ko, mga chismosa. No, aminin natin.
Let me just say, guys, na in every vacation, hindi pare-pareho talaga yung mafe-feel nyo.
Correct.
And parang feeling ko the place na kung saan kayo pupunta is a big factor. Kung ano rin
Agree.
yung mafe-feel nyo pagbalik nyo galing work. Ako talaga ito, super duper excited ko mag-work.
I think na yung yung pagka-excite mo. Because nakatalagang pahinga ka. Na-achieve mo yung pahinga sa vacation.
Sa totoo lang, hindi nga siya pahinga, papi. Kasi like everyday.
Activication.
Oo, activication. Babay kayo, gigising kayo na maaga. But, alam mo yung physically pagod ka, but mentally,
Relaxed.
yeah.
Iba yung peace of mind.
Ang sarap pala mapahinga sa mga balita dito sa Pilipinas, ano? Diba?
Yung wala akong pake.
Buntik pa ako magdala ng iPad. Kasi sabi ko kay Mike, siguro dapat updated pa rin ako
Negative
sa
na
news.
yun.
Sabi niya,
Negative
no.
na.
No. I'm so glad iniwan ko yung iPad ko.
Now that you're mentioning this, I think I can categorize your leave
A sabbatical?
As some sort of
Why
sabbatical
not?
leave.
Yeah. Yeah. Pwede.
Kasi parang nag-retreat ka eh. Based on what you're telling me, sinasabi mo sa akin, alam mo, hindi ko pa nansin iPad ko. Wala mo nang pakialam sa nangyayari. Tinanggal ko muna yung stress ko. I think that will count as sabbatical.
Pwede.
It was just siguro, or maybe just a retreat per se.
Yeah.
I think what you did was a retreat because you were doing something, it was an active vacation for you.
It's not something that I do every day.
Correct.
Kasi pwede namang, inisip ko sinong iba baka mamaya pag retreat, spiritual lang, or nasa isang area ka lang. Alam mo yun, nasa isang, yung
Correct.
usual
Yung
na
mga
ginagawa natin
akit
pag,
bundok,
alam nyo
recollection,
naman kung ano
ganon.
yung retreat pag high
Oo.
school,
Palangka
usong-uso yan.
letters, mga ganon.
Magsusulatan pa
Oo.
kayong magkakaklase.
Solsolan ng kandila.
iyakan pa
Oo,
yan.
may kandila
Magsusorry-sorry.
moment.
Pwede namang hindi ganun yung retreat. Like something that you don't normally experience. Let's say for example, yung kagaya nung na-experience ko sa Australia na wala dito sa Pinas.
When you asked
And
me earlier,
I just do hope lahat tayo nga sana may chance ng ganun. Kaya lang di naman lahat, papi, meron.
ang ganda ng insights mo dito kasi like I said kanina, yung for us, yung Niseko, it's our happy place.
Yun nga.
We also do a lot of activities during the day. But I realized, bakit sobrang relaxed ko pag nandun? Ganon din eh. It's the state of mind. It's the place, the environment, what you see around you.
That you
If
don't
you're-
normally see, right?
One place that I want to go to, malapit-lapit sa Australia. Pero yun nga, medyo...
New Zealand?
Yes.
Same. Bike tayo. Sit tayo, bike tayo sa New Zealand. Ano gusto? Oh, actually, yung mga Pinoy sa Australia, hinahanap ka.
Bucket list ko yun.
Sabi nila, pumunta ka daw doon at ipapasyal ka nila. Kasi meron doon parang sumulong, papi.
Baka-
Pero kung nasistress ka sa mga tricycle dito habang umaahon, doon wala. Mahihirapan ka sa
Papakita ko
ahon.
sa'yo yung ride kong huli.
Stress na stress ka?
Sumulong.
Oh. Meron sa Australia ganyang katarik sa sumulong pero walang jeep, walang tricycle, puro puno ang nasa paligid.
Sorry sa mga non-cyclists who are listening na baka kasi may puro naman kayo cycling.
Huwag na kayo,
In-explain
oo.
lang namin yung feeling na going up a highway on your bike without
It's hard here in the Philippines.
na umiiwas ka sa jeepney, may pothole, may tricycle na singit sa bike lane,
pothole.
may underbow na makikibike lane sa bike
I
lane.
know. Or yung motor, share
Yun
kayo,
nga,
di ba?
makikishare sa bike lane. But anyway, let's go back to the sabbatical. It's a good reflection na for all of us. Lana, we're just starting the year technically. We're entering March. Still the start of the year. I'd still consider it. Maybe you all need to take that break. Maybe you need to take that break that you've been thinking about. And it's important not just to take a break based on what we talked about, but to choose where you are gonna take that break.
I know. Where
Did you ever
to
realize
go?
that? You mentioned this earlier and it
Where
struck
to
me.
go?
It struck me earlier na, Paps, hindi lahat ng bakasyon, feeling ko bakasyon. O hindi lahat ng lugar, ganito yung na-feel ko.
Oh, exactly. I'm sure there are vacations where I felt na parang, ang bigat, ba't ganun?
Or parang,
Yun na yun.
parang normal lang, umuwi ka ganun pa rin.
Pero di ba may
You don't feel
mga...
like a new person when you get back. Or you don't
Yes.
feel like refreshed.
Yes, hindi naman to dapat sa ibang bansa lang.
Yes.
Hindi naman ganun yun eh. Kung dito lang yung afford nyo, find a place wherein whenever you go to that place, talagang refreshed kayo.
That's why when you asked me kanina, I said,
New Zealand.
it's our happy
The
place.
Japan.
Oh, happy place.
Tapos parang-
Niseko particularly because it's in the province already.
Yeah, hindi siya kasing,
So, nature
di ba? Hindi
trip
siya
din
kasing
siya.
busy ng Tokyo.
Correct.
Oo.
I think at lahat tayo maka-experience ng isang solid nature trip. It'll really change your outlook, your
malalapit.
life. And nung nag-nasaya ko, titignan ko yung cellphone ko.
Oh, same.
Eh,
Same.
parang, sige, check messages after that. Eh.
Wala, alam mo ba, inaaway ko pa si Mike. Sabi ko, ayun naman si Mr. Real Time Posting, mamaya na yan.
And what I did also, wala, I just captured moments. As pag feel
Saka
ko lang
pag-
mag-post, okay.
Saka lang. Or
Oh.
pag uwi, kaya yung mga napopost ko kasi nandito na ako noon.
May mga Japan clips na hindi pa pinupost.
Exactly. Kasi
When I post them, I don't even know.
ibig sabihin na enjoy mo talaga yung trip na yon.
Immerse yourself. Find that happy place.
And where is that happy place? I think ikaw lang makakapagsabi nun. Here in the Philippines, marami
Ang
marami actually.
dami.
What's your suggestion? Here in the Philippines, pwede kayo sa...
Zambales has a lot of beautiful nature.
That's a good suggestion.
Nature
Zambales.
places. There's that, I forgot the name of the lake. They call it the New Zealand of the Philippines.
Or for me, mas malapit. I don't know what's with Clark, but whenever I'm there,
Okay.
iba rin yung feeling ko. Parang ang layo ko kasi, iba kasi yung itsura ng Clark, di ba? Maganda rin yung bike path
Correct.
doon,
And they're
daming
improving it,
park,
right.
yeah. So, Clark,
On the
okay
contrary, pag Subic, medyo iba yung vibe ng Subic sa akin.
Sa'yo?
Parang
Okay din nun.
Ako hindi ko masyadong...
Hindi mo, bakit?
Hindi. Parang nalulungkot ako sa Subic. Hindi ko alam bakit.
May mga ganyang area naman na parang feeling mo
Yung
down.
energy ko hindi
Oo.
match sa Subic.
Oh.
With all due respect sa mga taga-Subic. Sa akin lang, parang when I'm there,
Parang slow? Too slow for you?
hindi ko alam kung anong meron. Basta parang mas Clark person ako over Subic.
Ako basta yun. Yun ang mga masasuggest ko sa inyo. I wanted to go to Atok
Okay.
in Benguet. Sabi
Haven't
nila
been.
okay din daw
Haven't
doon.
I've
So,
been to Sagada.
I haven't been. Gusto
Iba
ko
rin
yan.
yung bundok hits sa beach hits, ha?
Okay din
Magkaiba rin
yun?
yun. Magkaiba rin yun.
Oo.
Iba yung beach, iba yung snow.
Yeah.
But this year, do yourself a favor and take a nature trip.
Yeah, nature trip.
And just put your phone aside, put social media aside. Trust me, it's gonna be there when you get back.
Oo.
No, you're not missing. 5 days not being on your phone will not change your life, will not change your number of followers, will not change the people who comment on your post. Trust me, you post after 7 days, the same people will still be there commenting, liking your posts.
Tama. Siguro another suggestion to those who have children. Kasi this is our first trip na wala talaga yung mga bata. Nang sobrang tagal.
Okay.
So kung di nyo na nagagawa yung mag-asawa, I mean, go on a trip ng kayo lang.
How's the setup for you guys? So paano nyo nag-achieve yun?
Syempre yung mga may yaya kami.
Okay.
Nandun din yung parents ni Mike, yung parents
So
ko.
doon mo sila tumira?
Yes, parang merong 4
shifting.
days, nag-shifting
Okay,
sila.
okay.
Parang gano'n yung nangyari. So we're thankful na may mga ganun
Correct.
kami, di ba? Nung first few days, parang di kami sanay ni Mike. Pero alam mo, nung pauwi na kami, parang sinasabi nga namin, dapat pala, pag magti-trip tayo, nang wala yung mga bata, 5 days max, namimiss namin eh. Although we did
okay.
enjoy this
Of
one,
course.
pero iba talaga pag may anak.
Siyempre.
So kung hindi nyo pa nasusubukan to go on a trip ng kayo lang ulit mag-asawa, do it. And may malaking factor din siguro, Papi, yung medyo simula ng taon, February, bakasyon ka na, tapos parang,
Agree.
di ba,
Agree.
parang,
Ang ganda niyang
Diba
pang-cleanse.
Yes, yes.
Pang-retreat. Balik natin yung word na retreat. Pang-cleanse, pang-retreat ng sistema.
January or February trips are okay dahil simula pala ng taon, okay ka.
Alam ko na iniisip ko, parang, I love Hong Kong.
Yan,
I love
isa
Japan.
rin yan.
I love Japan. Pero,
Japan.
compare ko lang not to say one is better than the other. Iba lang yung vibe ng urban, ng city vacation sa nature vacation.
Ako naman, Hong Kong, medyo pagod ako.
Okay, yun nga. Kaya sinasabi ko,
Hindi ko masyadong vibe yung Hong Kong. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit.
I'm just saying that it's a different vibe.
Depende
You go
talaga
out-
sa tao.
Kaya nga, you go out to
Oo.
nature. Like I said, I haven't been to New Zealand. I'd love to visit New Zealand.
Me also.
But iba yung nature trip, iba yung city trip. Like when you go to States to New York, iba rin yung vibe, iba rin yung energy,
Ang ganda.
iba rin ang Australia,
Yeah.
iba rin ang Japan, iba ang
Yeah.
Japan probinsya, iba ang Japan main city.
Yeah.
Every city I think has an energy. When you visit that city, you absorb that energy.
Yeah.
And for a few days when you get back, you give back that energy. So now I think the excitement, the energy of Australia is there with you, and you're sharing it with
Yeah.
everyone. And I hope everybody gets to
Experience
that.
it.
Yeah.
Sana.
You find your happy place.
Manifest it, guys.
Correct. Doesn't have to
Hindi pa.
be an international trip. There's so many beautiful places. El Nido is beautiful in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Talagang malolost ka sa
Sa ganda.
ganda.
I know.
It doesn't have to be also. Actually, this trip, since marami kami, hindi na kami nag-straight flight to El Nido kasi times 4 or times 3 yung presyo ng airfare.
Yeah.
What we did is take a land trip. I take a trip to Puerto Princesa. Per person, 3,500.
How many hours ng biyahe?
1 hour lang.
Ay,
From there, then we rented a van kasi marami kami.
Yeah.
We rented a van. I think it was like 10,000, but we were already like 7 people in the van. 4-hour road trip to El Nido.
Na hindi nyo mararamdaman. Kasi,
Correct.
di ba? Usap-usap lang
kasi
naman kayo
mga
sa 4
tao,
hours
shit,
na yun.
mahal na El Nido. But there are ways, you go to Boracay if you're on a budget. Yes, there's a way to get there.
Hindi nga yan kasi yung problema kung bakit maraming Pilipino ayaw na dito magbakasyon. Ang mahal ng airfare, papi.
Mahal.
Mas mahal mag El Nido kesa mag Hong Kong or mag Taiwan.
Super.
So baka yan dapat gawin nila ng paraan.
But find your happy place. It doesn't have to be far. Some people go to Antipolo.
That's our happy place every weekend, diba? There's something about Antipolo for cyclists
And
na
that's
parang
why
we keep on coming back kahit ang daming ingay, usok.
It's
Wala yung pag weekend parang iba siya.
It's the peace of mind I think we
That
get
it gives you.
when we see the mountains. We see the clouds over the mountains. Nandun tayo, diba? Parang, pagod,
Nakakapagod pero ang ganda.
Pero ang ganda. And it refreshes you. Kaya yung energy natin pagkabalik from a bike ride is totally different.
Yes, agree.
Diba? It's
Super
the
agree.
nature trip of everything. Compared to also, running in the city. When you run outside, iba rin yung beauty and everything. Long story short,
Just be close with nature. Yun lang.
yes.
Try to be close with nature.
Nature will bring you back to will give you that reset that you've been looking
Hindi,
for.
parang sinasabi nga, as cliche as it may sound, pero iba talaga nagagawa. Di ba?
Amen. May you find that reset, especially right now, na pasimula pa lang yung taon.
Agree.
Take that trip, find that place, find yourself,
And
be
keep
one.
going back.
Find that place, be one with nature. It's sa akin pa rin the best medicine.
Yeah, amen.
Thank you for listening to the podcast. My name is Sam YG.
And this is Chacha.
Before we end, grabe, yung bago nating chairs.
Yeah.
From the things we need. Thank you so much. Tatayo lang para
Papi, gusto ko nito. Sihu ergonomic chairs. Pakita mo sa kanila. Tingnan nyo, gumagalaw-galaw siya, guys.
Gusto ko lang i-flex na
I-flex mo tong bago nating
may
chairs.
ganito kami sa bahay.
Alam mo, gusto ko lang sabihin na baka may ano rin to. Malaki ding factor kung ba't sobrang relax ko ngayon
May
because of our
headrest.
chairs.
No,
True.
adjustable multi-angle. Flex ko lang. Kasi kaya tayo nagkaganito dito. I'm so happy with it sa bahay. May ganito kami sa bahay.
At sabi
my
mo,
God.
kailangan nilang ma-experience
Kailangan
to.
ma-experience. Pati yung yung height nitong height ng armrest adjustable.
Oh,
Gusto
yung
mataas,
paisa. Yeah,
matangkad ka.
yeah.
Diba? Kung gusto mo naka-chill kang pa ganyan. Like a boss. Diba? Gusto mo nakabuka kang ganyan. Pwede rin naman. Seryoso. Lahat ng angle inisip nila. So,
Galing.
once again, the Sihu Ergonomic Chairs, check them out. They're on Instagram, Things We Need.
Yeah.
We're also going to be posting about it on our stories. But get yourself the chair. And trust me, ito, makakatulong sa relaxation.
Ito
tsaka
magandang
retreat.
gift kahit tapos na Valentine's Day.
Ay, naku.
Lalo para sa mga naka-work from home, sa anak nyong, di ba?
Ito, have a seat. Bilitra, bigyan mo ng upuan.
Ito
eh.
talaga,
Why
literal.
don't you have a seat? Bigyan mo upuan.
Kung ayaw nyo nang umalis ng bahay ang mga jowa nyo, ito talaga yun.
Ganun.
Pwede maging lazy boy to, di ba?
Pwede rin siya full recline.
Pakita mo, papi.
Hindi ko pa, i-adjust ko pa. In the meantime, thank you for joining us. Be safe, be good, find your happy place.